Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I made this super cute diamond coaster. Once you get the hang of moving the cords, it's pretty quick and easy to make. I hope you enjoy watching it and please give it a like if you do, and don't forget to subscribe to catch more cute tutorials like this. Let's go! So we have 10 cords, 2 blue and 8 brown, and they're folded over and attached to a knitting needle with lark's head knots. Now with this next cord, you're going to bring the 2 blue. One is going to go underneath both of them so that you keep the blue as the working cords, and the brown are going to stay in the middle. Now don't pull it too tightly, otherwise it's going to sit funny. So just keep working that until it's in the center of the previous 2 square knots. And repeat the same on the other side. So bringing one of the blue cords underneath. Now these 2 outer cords, they're not going to be used in this second row. And now coming around, these cords are going to go underneath the ones that we used in the previous square knot with the blue, and they're going to go underneath the cords that we're using for this next knot. Now from here we're going to start working back inwards. So going back under. Now we're just gonna go along and cut the edges. It's a cute little coaster, and this is only the second time I've made it. So the first time I made it, I just made the design, then undid it all so that I could make the video on how to make it. And if you turn it over, it's actually got a really cute design on the back as well, so you can use it whichever way that you like. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and followed along. Please like this video and subscribe to see more cool macrame stuff from me. Until next time, see ya!